Because hindi lang po kasi we don't really want to encourage everyone for a cold religion. We want everyone to have a warm and happy time in church. Amen? And you may prayer, pero kung hindi pa naman kayo talaga handa makipag-usap, okay lang naman. Alam ko mahihain naman tayong lahat nung umpisa. Pero just want to encourage you, this is the time for us to just think about it and pray about it. Okay, may mga tables pa tayo sa likod, and kapag napuno na yun, pwede natin gamitin yung mga chairs and table, chairs and table. Pag imutin lang natin, and then we can have a song. Amen? Can we just worship God and honor Him? And the music team will lead us. Pastor, thank you po. Kasi po, when we're singing that song, I was reminded of what God did and what God is doing sa kapatid niya. Kasi yung kapatid niya na bypass heart. I mean, take my heart. So, when she is singing, talagang iba yung dating. Iba yung dating sa kanya when she shared that to me. Oh, man. Iba yun. Sa atin, iba. Pero sa kanya, iba. I just want to share that because it's different for each one of us, but even though it's different for each one of us, we experience God. And she said, magaling na po ang aking kapatid. Na-bypass po siya. Napalapakan siya. And of course, tears running from her eyes talaga. Tapos siyempre naiyak talaga kami, no? Habang kinikwento niya. And all of these things that we're doing here is not just a cold religion. It is not a cold religion. We are coming to God because He is real. Whether we believe it or not, He is real. And He can be real in our lives. Nag-iyak na ako. He can be real in our week. Yung Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday natin, totoo si Lord. Amen? Hindi lang sa linggo totoo. Totoo sa buong linggo. Hanggang next week, magkita-kita ulit tayo. Mag-worship tayo kay God. Yun po ang ginagawa natin. And